So we're sitting here in Uganda and we're going to be talking about Module 1, and I'm sitting here with one of the lead permaculturists within Uganda, Charles Mugarura, and also known by many as the father founder of permaculture here in Uganda. So Charles, welcome to this module on the introduction of SDGs.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, and it's my pleasure that we are able to cast this kind of lesson, and for so long that making contribution to this kind of class has been a long time dream, despite my inability to use technology. So
awesome. Well, yeah. we're really happy to have you here, yeah. And knowing that you're very knowledgeable and you have so much to share with the good work that you're doing. So I'm just going to get straight into it. What are the Sustainable Development Goals?
Sustainable Development Goals replaced what we could call the Millennium Goals. And after realizing that the Millennium Goals were not realized by all countries across the world, at the same time the UN realized that they have to set a momentum that allows other struggling countries to structure their kind of development strategies and to make it much more clearer for everyone and simpler for everyone to understand. So SDGs are literally, they're 17, and they're based on the well-being of the world.